Hi guys, and welcome back to Chic and Glow. Today we are unboxing a true icon in the luxury fashion world, and that is my Manolo Blahnik BB Pumps. I have never purchased a luxury shoe like this, so this is my very first shoe of luxury standard. I went with Manolo because they are an icon. And when you think of a classic pump, if you see any celebrity, any royalty just wearing a classic pump, it's 9 out of 10 a Manolo. So I thought if I wanted to go classic, if I wanted something that I am going to have for years to come and it's going to be in style for years to come, because if we are spending $700 on a shoe, I want to have it for the rest of my life. I went with Manolo rather than somebody like Louis Vuitton. Now, Louis Vuitton is a great brand and I do want some shoes from them, but for my first purchase, I went with a Manolo. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so here is the box. As you can see, it says Manolo Blahnik, and I'm so excited. I got the black suede 70 millimeter, I think. I wanted a little bit of a shorter heel rather than a longer heel. So I just opened it. It has the dust bag and a little booklet with a QR code inside that I won't be showing, but that's what that looks like. And I'll have some close-up videos for you guys. So let's get into the actual shoe. So they're so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is not what I was expecting. Oh my goodness. Can you see that? Absolutely stunning. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna take out all the... I didn't expect it to have as much packaging as it did, but here's the heel. It's supposedly like a 3-inch or like a 3.75 heel. It's so small and narrow. Like, look at that. I thought it was gonna be a little bit thicker. The leather is so soft on the bottom. It feels like a velvet. How's the velvet feel? I've actually never felt luxury velvet, so it's definitely soft, and it doesn't like leave it doesn't leave like the streaks that you see in other types of velvet, if you know what I mean. Like in some velvet you can just like write your name in. There's the Manolo. But yeah, oh my gosh, and the craftsmanship, what I'm noticing is it's like all one sole. So like usually like I was expecting like a separation between this and like this, and it's not. Smells like leather, smells very expensive. There's a little bit of like suede back here on the heel. And it looks like there's definitely some padding on the heel. So yeah. This is my Manolo shoe, the BB. I'm so excited to add this to my collection. I know this was a short video and I need an excuse to wear them now. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This leather down here feels like velvet. I don't know how to explain it. It just feels like velvet. It's not like... I wonder if it is velvet. Can anybody tell me if this is velvet down here? Because it feels like they took the velvet down onto the sole as well. That's insane. Oh my gosh. Beautiful, beautiful shoe. I can't wait to wear it. I can definitely tell that this is a luxury shoe just based off of all the little things that you don't see in like $100 shoes. I can't stop like petting it. It's so soft. And it does smell really good. So anyway, this is my unboxing. I will do a review for you guys in a couple months. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe for more content from me, and I'll see you in my next one.